Hi guys, it is HardReset.Info channel, and today I will show you how to delay click on your VIVO Y36. In the first step we must turn on our setting, where we have an option shortcuts and accessibility. We choose it and go to the last option, accessibility, and scroll down to timing controls. We press it, and there we have touch and hold delay, where we can change from short to medium or long, and it can be helped when we touch the screen by chance, and until strong push it won't open anything. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.